Welcome back, friends! See if you can read these words before me or read them along with me. This spelling card makes the ah sound. When you see a U, an AW, an AL, or ALL in a word, that pattern makes the sound ah. Ball, call, of, all, small, from, here, you, said. Time for review. Of, small, all, from, ball, here, call, you, said.